Hey guys, Michael Schmidt here with TurtleRC. I want to show you guys the turtle brain that we sell. Just kind of go over some of the features that it has. I'm going to turn it off, unplug everything here to go over that. Alright, so it's quite simple. There are a total of 4 inputs to our brain product. There's 2 motor inputs, motor 1, motor 2, motor left, motor right, whatever. There is a kill switch input. Right now we offer a couple of options for kill switches based on how you're going to end up using the brain, and we're going to hopefully develop more to kind of make several different safety devices that could be used in a variety of settings. Then there's a battery input for power. That powers the motor controller, the receiver, and everything. So you just have to have one battery and everything gets power from that. We've got a replaceable 40 amp fuse in case a motor stalls. This protects all the wiring and the internals with quite a wide safety factor. So this should blow if you ever run into any issues. We've never reproduced those in normal usage, so you should never have to worry about changing a fuse unless something goes wrong, and that's what it's there for, protection. Then we got 2 switches on the box here. The small one is a bind switch. So if you ever have trouble with your transmitter or your receiver, that's there to make it so you can easily rebind the 2 together without having to take Turtle apart to do that. So this is a time saver for you. And then the main power switch, and this turns on power, gives power to the receiver, power to the motors and everything. This is off, nothing will run, and so this is another safety thing to consider. Okay, let's plug everything back in now. And for this, since I'm not going to be writing it, we're going to use just a little short loop for our kill switch, and we do sell these. I do not recommend you ever use this if someone's going to be riding on it. We have a kill switch option, kind of like a boat or a treadmill safety kill switch, that if it comes unplugged, it'll kill power to the motor. So that's a much safer option, and that is what we recommend if someone's going to actually be riding on your device. And then power. And all of our connectors are polarity matched, so there's no way you can plug anything in upside down or incorrectly, which makes it nice and easy. So it's always good and smart to start with your transmitter on. These transmitters and receivers are advanced enough that, I mean, really, if you turn the motors on first, the receiver shouldn't start doing anything until a transmitter comes online as well. So you shouldn't have to worry about anything in that regard, but it's always just a good rule of thumb to turn your transmitter on before you turn the Turtle box on. So let's start. All right, so Turtle's powered up. This is just a dumb little frame that I put together just to demonstrate things. Really, when you buy a product from us, the Turtle box is all that you will be receiving. So operation is extremely straightforward. We don't do anything with this switch. By default, we didn't want any kind of throttle control over here. Everything's driven by your right thumbstick. So going forward is very easy, all the way up to top speed, and you can slow down. Going backwards, spinning left. It's got a really great turning radius because of the differential drive. Spinning right. And when you go back and to the left, you'll note it's not like driving a car. You don't go back and to the right to have the thing go back and to the right, because it's a differential drive setup, and we don't have the same kind of turning mechanism that a vehicle has. That's just something to keep in mind. So if you want to go back and to the right, you actually have to press the stick down and to the left, but very easy to work around. Let's see what else. There was some concern about safety. So if your transmitter ever goes off, loses batteries, dies, goes out of range, whatever from Turtle, will it actually stop? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it moving slowly towards me. I'm going to simulate a signal issue by turning off my transmitter. Turtle comes to a complete stop. I don't have any control here, but Turtle is not moving. Turn it back on, and you instantly will regain control. So very safe. Again, off, stopped. So no issues regarding loss of signal. You should be able to rest assured that if you lose power here, you're not going to have the turtle go haywire or crazy, anything like that. So that's a basic overview, and thanks for watching.